How do I get a collaborator request code on Shopify? So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify right here on our browser and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the settings, which is located on the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you are now here on the settings, the next thing that we need to do is to just click this users right here. So just click that and then click security. Now, once you click security, on the column for the collaborators, you will now be able to see this code right here. So all you have to do is to copy this store right here. Now, if you want to generate a new code, all you have to do is to click generate new code. So as you can see, the code has been changed. Now, if you want to copy it, just copy that. Now, once you do that, you can now share this code to someone else for this store. And of course, you will still need to review and approve this request from this page, which is right here, which is right there. You can change their permission right there, so they can only, of course, access some certain parts of your store. So Shopify has currently an ongoing deals right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months, which is right here, for the basic, grow, and advanced. So if you want to try that right now, you can do that by just going down on the description and of course the comment down below. So going back right here, that is of course basically it. That is how you get a collaborator request code. So once again, that is how to get a collaborator request on Shopify.